Unboxing the new mobile Roland Cube battery powered stereo amplifier. Okay, let us see what is inside. To unbox it, got the sticker. Oh, oh. Comes with the battery. This is the manual. Okay, comes with the battery. The Roland, the strap, battery. Oh, that's the thing. This is the one. So this is the one. The new Roland portable amplifier. You can connect keyboard, guitar, and microphone for vocal on this one, and also mp3 player, and there's aux in. What about the other side? Okay, there's a power on switch for the earphone and for DC adapter, and below so you can connect to the stand, speaker stand. On the back, yes. Okay, there's the to put on the battery. Thank you very much.